Fall for the Book this year, it's its 20th anniversary, so it's been around for a very long time. We have this festival for the readers, people who enjoy books, who enjoy the printed word. This is their opportunity to meet authors, to hear these stories and why these books came to be. This is a partnership with George Mason University. We have over 180 different authors. We will have events on the George Mason University's campus, in our branches throughout Fairfax County, and at OLLI, which is the Osher Lifetime Learning Institute. This event will occur October 10th through the 13th. We have Tyeri Jones. She is the author of An American Marriage, which was an Oprah book club pick. And this is a book about a married couple who is recently married. The husband is convicted of a crime he did not commit. And the book kind of talks about the struggles that they go through in this new marriage when he is in prison. We also have Craig Grossi. He wrote the book Craig and Fred. That's another interesting book because he actually served a tour in Afghanistan, found a dog that he named Fred, smuggled him into his camp, and when he came back to the States, he actually brought Fred back with him, and Fred helped him as he transitioned back to normal life. We also have Robin Farzad. He is the author of Hotel Scarface, and this is a book about the drug trade in the 70s and 80s in Miami, Florida. We also have David Goodrich. He wrote the book A Hole in the Wind, and this is about his 4,200-mile bike ride across the country. And on this journey, he talked about climate change and the misinformation that we have about this phenomena. So for more information about our programs, you can visit the Fall for the Book website at www.fallforthebook.org. And we also have a lot of great programs in our branches throughout Fairfax County.